Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can hide or how you can turn off any notification or comment notification of any post. Okay, for example, if you comment in some post, some specific post, and after that you think that there are many comment, when you comment some post, then after you or those who comment, then you'll get that notification. So if you want to make it stop getting notification, then you can easily do this. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So that's why you need to go Facebook. So I'm just going to click my Facebook app, and then choose okay, for example, I'm just going to choose like this post, okay, or this post and post. So for example, I commented this post, this, then I don't want to receive any notification from this post. That's why I need to turn off my notification, comment notification. So here you can see the option three dot. So simply click three dot, and then you'll get the option here, turn on notification for this post. So this one. So simply click turn on notification for this post, and here you can see it's just turn on, not turn on. Sorry, it's now turn off and turn on. Okay, so after that you'll not receive any notification from this post. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.